everyone, welcome back. This is Dr. Menka Yuvraj and you're watching 10x Money Secrets, where I genuinely make videos about the blogging, affiliate marketing, dropshipping, digital marketing and a lot of make money online tips. So guys, this video is a complete tutorial about the HubSpot and specifically for the beginners. Guys, nowadays growing up companies is never been harder, and doing short-term side tactics like sending the spam emails, sending the spam messages on WhatsApp or on the Facebook group, LinkedIn group, these really doesn't work. So guys, HubSpot, the good thing about the HubSpot is that you can join absolutely free, right? So if your customer is happy, then he will definitely work with you further. But if he is not happy, he's not working with your brand ahead, right? Then you need to think again and you need to invest a little bit to improve the user experience, to offer the great experience to your customers. Guys, so here the HubSpot come into the picture. HubSpot provide you a very good opportunity to grow your company even more. If your company, maybe it's a small company or a big company, it will offer a complete full automation, marketing automation for your company. So what exactly HubSpot do, guys? Please stay tuned with this video till the end, because I'm sharing my laptop screen also with you about the complete features, functionality and what all HubSpot provide you, what all HubSpot offer you in the free plans, paid plans and the premium plans, right? So anyways, HubSpot, what exactly they offer to you? They will offer you to make a website, to make a landing pages, to offer you a good CRM for the sales and the sales nurturing, sending the emails, capture the emails, sending the personalized message, personalized the emails, and also offer the social media marketing part also, right? Social media marketing like say sending the posts, running the paid ad campaigns on LinkedIn, Facebook, right? So these are the good things. Other than that, there are tons of more things that HubSpot offer you, like the customized report, the customized analytics, right? Whatever the activities you're doing via HubSpot, so what is the performance, what the return on investment you're getting after investing all this. So guys, all this you can start absolutely free. So guys, let's check it out my laptop and let's see how HubSpot work for you, what HubSpot is offering and how you can work with HubSpot to grow your business 10x week, guys. Alright guys, so now here I'm on the HubSpot homepage. When you open the HubSpot, this is the homepage of the website, and you can see a lot of information what HubSpot provide on the homepage itself. And you can see here you can get the HubSpot free. You means you can use this tool for free till certain extent, right? So let's check it out what they are offering. They are offering the CRM platform for your whole business that you love. They have the free plan and the premium CRM, right, where you need to click here for the demo. Right now, these are their services: the marketing hub, the sales hub, right, the service hub, the CRM hub, right? In marketing hub, you can see here the lead generation, you'll get the marketing automation and the analytics. In the sales hub, the popular feature of the sales hub are the advanced CRM, means customer relationship management, the meeting schedule and codes. The service hub, you'll get here the tickets. The popular feature are the tickets, customer feedback, knowledge base, and the CMS hub, where that offer the flexibility for the marketers. It's a powerful tool for the developers and give customers a personalized, secure experience. And here you will design the landing pages, the websites, the SEO, and the websites and all. Right? These are the number of customers they have, and you can go through it, guys. You can check it out properly. Now, these are there the services, full CRM services, the free services. Let's check it out first in full CRM services. So when I click here, we will jump on this full CRM services. Here are their full CRM services. In full CRM, as I already told you, they offer the marketing hub, the sales hub, the services hub, and CMS. In marketing hub, they again have the, if you wanted to go for the paid part, you need to click on the get demo in all these four services. Or if you wanted to go for free, initially, I suggest initially take the free part of it, and I'm giving the link of this HubSpot so that you can easily join, right? I've given the link of HubSpot in the description box of this video. So here in marketing, you can send the free emails and the forms. Here in sales hub, you can pitch by a free CRM for the sales, and in free CMS hub, you can get for the designing the powerful website, and in services is the free desk tools, right? And in this free part, right, in the free services, and they are offering a lot of things in free services, free CRM with everyone for everyone, everything for everyone, right? So if you are into the sales, right, so in sales, what exactly you'll get, you can do for free. You can get the reporting dashboard, you can get the company insights, deals tickets, the pipeline management and all. If you're the salesperson, if you're a marketer, so if you're a marketer, you can get the free forms, the ad management, the live chat and the chat boot builder and the landing pages. This guy is absolutely free. You can design in the HubSpot. If you're customer service team, if you're into the customer service team, you can get the free ticketing software here. You can get the conversation box, the live chat bot, and the team emails, right? So you can see here you can send the emails absolutely free in HubSpot. And then if you're into the operations manager, then here these tools like the third party integration, the productivity tools, forms, prospect tracking, or if you're a business owner, right? So this here, the contact management, right? The prospect tracking, pipeline management, the ticketing, all this you get for free. Now guys, here let's check it out, the pricing of it, right? So guys, these are the plans, right? If you wanted to go for the plans, you can check it out. These plans they have, other than the free tools, guys, right? These are the free tools they are offering, free CMS and the free marketing tools. These are absolutely free tools, right? But if you wanted the paid plan of it, paid marketing plan, you can see the starter plan, the professional plan, and the enterprise plan. But like guys, let's check it out inside the dashboard what they offer. So guys, here I'm inside the dashboard of my HubSpot. So you can see here the tabs, the contact tab, the conversation tab, the marketing tab, the sales, the services, automation, right? So guys, these are the services, these are the functionality you get with the HubSpot. So for example, the contacts tab. So if I'll click on the contact, you can here manage all your contacts, your company details, right? And the list of your company and the contact. In conversation, here you the HubSpot provide you an inbox like the message box. You have the WhatsApp or the LinkedIn or the Facebook, right? So similarly, HubSpot offer inbox, which is absolutely free, guys. This dashboard which I'm showing, this is the absolutely free dashboard. I'm not using any paid part of the HubSpot. This is the free I'm using, so that I'm showing you. This is the inbox. In conversation, you can get an inbox, the flow chart, the snips, and the templates, right? So let's check it out, the templates, what templates they are offering. So you can see here, guys, these are the templates you can get. You can search any template, new template from here, right? Or you can design the template, right? So it's a simple dashboard, and there are more templates in this which you can, when you log in this, you get to know. Now in the marketing section, so in marketing section, you can create the ads, right? This Facebook ad or the LinkedIn ads, you can create the ad. The emails, you can manage the emails. In this free tool, you can design the websites, right? The web pages, the landing pages, even the blogs, right? The file, and so here you can manage all your files, the lead captures. You can get a form here, right? You can design the form here. CTA form means call to action form, or simple forms you can design here. The planning and strategy means SEO and projects, right? So you can manage if you wanted to design here a website or a web page, right? So for that, to increase the visibility, to get the organic traffic, you need the SEO. So from here, you can manage the SEO part also of your website. Now in sales, you can take care here the deals, the conversation with your client, right? What your conversation, what your deals have been fixed. You can manage everything via HubSpot. The documentation, the meeting, the quotes, right? The services, the ticket services, the service hub, then the automation, the workflow automation and sequence, the reporting, you can get here all the reporting part here, the analytics tools and the dashboard. And here is the free resources which HubSpot offer. Right? These are the free resources which HubSpot offer here. So if you have any kind of issue, you can get into the free resource which HubSpot offer, and you can get the answers of whatever the queries or question, or if you are confused with using the HubSpot properly, so you can get all the details here in their free resources. Guys, these are the completely free resources which HubSpot offer. So, guys, this is the my dashboard. This is my dashboard, and you can see here. So, guys, these are the features which HubSpot offer you, right? So, for example, I'll tell you, design the landing page. I just designed a landing page for my one of the clients. So, I'll show you. This is a landing page which I have designed for one of the client. You can see there, see this. It's not yet completed. The top part I have to remove. Right, so this is the landing page which I have designed. So you can create a very high converting landing page from here, and so that's how it work, and that's how you can use the HubSpot, guys. That's how you can use the HubSpot. So, guys, thanks for watching this video. If you have any kind of issues about the HubSpot, or how you can use, how you can make the website, how you can design the landing pages, or how you can do the social media marketing for your company, how you can generate the leads, how you can generate the sales, guys. So please let me know in the comment section. I'll reply to you guys. And guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel. And this is my YouTube channel, so please subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Hit this bell icon, so that whenever I post a new video, you guys check my video first and get notified first. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for my next video.